Hi, welcome back. I'm Kathy, and if you're new to my channel, I do food and product reviews, and I am back at Dairy Queen. Another Blizzard. This one is the Blizzard of the month. I guess it's for July. It is the Drumstick Blizzard. So if you're not familiar with drumsticks, they are the ice cream cone. I think it has a chocolate in the bottom of it so it doesn't drip out. Vanilla ice cream dipped in chocolate, and it has peanuts on top. So it's supposed to be pieces of the drumstick mixed with their vanilla ice cream and peanuts. Go. I'm gonna eat this before it melts. It's warm in here. Oh, oh. Oh yeah, it's like exactly what it is. It tastes like pieces of a drumstick. You get the cone. The crunch. Well, I get the nuts. It's really good. I think this may have just came out because I think it's for the month, like I said, the month of July. That's kind of gross, but oh, that's interesting. It looks like a cereal piece, like a So it looks like it's a, so it's like pieces of the cone dipped in chocolate, like in little pieces. Yeah, so basically it's pieces of, no, it's the cone and the chocolate, and then you have the nuts. No, exactly what it tastes like. If you like drumsticks and you like blizzards, you will like this. Got a lot of pieces in there too. It's good. So yeah, not much to it. It tastes like a drumstick mixed in the vanilla ice cream at Dairy Queen. For me, it could use more nuts though. I'm not getting a lot of nuts in here, but still good. I think it's good. I think it's better than the Pinata Party, is that what it's called? Pinata Party Blizzard that I had, was it last week? This week? I don't know. Whenever I had it. I'll give it 4.5 ice cream cones out of 5. I enjoyed it. I think it's good. I would actually probably get it again. 4.5 out of 5. Yum. I'll be honest, I didn't come to review this one. I didn't realize they had it yet. Actually, I thought it was only available in Canada, but I was wrong. What I came to review today was the Animal Cracker Blizzard, because several people had requested that I try that one, and I've actually tried it. My daughter got it one time and I had a bite of hers, and it tastes like animal crackers in a blizzard. Frosted animal crackers in a blizzard. Let me get hot. Sorry, I had to turn the air on. It's really hot in here. But when I was at Walmart the other day, I noticed they had the Great Value ice cream with animal crackers. So I thought I would give that one a try. So I was going to compare the two, but since I did this one instead, I'm just going to try that ice cream too. This hasn't melted. I actually brought a cooler, but here it is. This is the Circus Cookies. It is Circus Cookie ice cream, sweet ice cream, and animal cookie pieces, and pink icing swirl. So I don't think the Blizzard had a swirl, but I know that it did taste like animal crackers. I believe I'm opening a container of ice cream. This is weird. But this was only like $2.68. My Blizzard, my small Blizzard was $3.89. I don't know, it's weird. Alright, so there it is. It's really melting. I'm trying to get to a cookie. I usually don't have gallons of ice cream in my car. And there is the big piece of the cookie. This one's okay, but I think the animal cracker blizzard is better. And I think that's probably because the ice cream is better. But this is my 2 cents. If you want it, I think kids would probably still enjoy this. Okay, so if you've had the animal cracker blizzard or that ice cream, let me know in the comments below. And if you've tried the drumstick blizzard, let me know that too. Okay, so that brings me to the question of the day. Actually, it's more of a fun fact question of the day. So, do you know what year the blizzard came out? Officially, the blizzard came out. I think before they may have had like blizzards, but they were just like milkshakes in the traditional flavors. But when the blizzard came out, do you know what year? And do you know what the first 3 flavors were? You can pause it if you like and think about it. Okay, so it came out in 1985. And the first 3 flavors were Butterfinger, Heath, and, well, they called it cookie, but it was Oreo. So that's what I think. Like I said, still my favorite is the Oreo. Then I like the Heath, and then I probably like this drumstick. That's pretty good. So anyway, if you guessed any of those right, let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing, hitting that red button and the little bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, have a great day, and I will see you next time.